I heard you say O. How do we know that's not going to say long O?
Because there's no mama E.
So because this word has TCH in it, we know that O is going to be short. Okay, sweetie? Awesome. We just learned something new. Fingers on the words. Ready, go. Pitch, pitch. Hatch, hatch. All right, awesome job, my friends. Let's look at that word hatch. Let's talk about the meaning of that word, okay? What does it mean to hatch?
I don't know.
What does it mean to hatch?
I think I know.
So when something hatches out of an egg, that means to hatch. So like a chicken or a lizard or a snake. There's also the word hatch that means like I'm gonna hatch a plan to scare my mom.
Or like a tadpole egg.
Yes, a tadpole egg would hatch as well. Yeah, good job. All right, friends, we are going to do some dictation now. So grab your pencil